watching someone die. She had been dead 3 days. There's blood everywhere. I'm losing my mind. Erase your memory.
Erase your memory.
I took a drive downtown. I became sick to my stomach with all the filth that was walking the streets. I picked up that lady in the picture I was telling you. I picked her up in a car, fucked her. I killed her at the Desert Palms Motel. That bitch didn't know what hit her.
I'm concerned about your mental state. So to fulfill these dark sexual urges, you saw the prostitutes?
Yes, and I acted on every twisted and sadistic fantasy I'd ever had. I began to change. I had an obsession with power and control over others. My sexual appetite increased and became violent. I have many demons I face every day.
Who else lives inside of you?
We haven't met, but he shows up from time to time, and it's almost as if I black out.
What happens after you wake up from these blackouts?
The people are dead and I'm covered in blood. Sometimes there's blood in my mouth.
Could you have cut or hurt your mouth?
No, it's not my blood. Whoever takes over me has a thirst for blood, it seems. And to tell you the truth, I'm beginning to like it myself.
You sound as if you have become the very evil you have set out to destroy.
I was always easily influenced.
I was always